Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell a car on the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. And here you can see below the search bar, sell your car. You can tap on it to sell your car. You have to switch to a sell profile, and you have to tap on create an ad. You have to add your vehicle plate number, the reference number, tap on next. You have to add the vehicle details by scrolling. You can choose from these options. You can take pictures of the registration card. You can add the location. You can add the mileage, the price, the body color. You can add a title if you would like to change, but it's suggesting the car's name and type. You can add the description, and if you tap on add car photo, then you can select from your gallery. You have to add contact information, your name, your email, your passport number, the passport image, and the registration card. And after you filled with the photo and the contact information, you tap on publish, and you created an ad for your car. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.